The refusal is to think of the reality of this, resulting, she says, in an absence of anger or bias, replaced by judgment. Judgment not in the sense of being judgmental, but in the sense of instead of we perceive something without bias, without anger, without pity, but in the right way, we can make a right judgment, let's say, of what a situation is, what is the best in a particular relationship, etc., etc. So basically here, the idea is to go to a, a state in which we can embrace everything, and then our intelligence will tell us how to respond in the appropriate way. So we will do now a kind of meditation about this. So let us start as we did with the previous one by sitting in a comfortable position, relaxed. So what we are going to practice in this meditation is that attitude of mind where there is no judgment in the sense of I like, I don't like. There is no attachment to what I like and rejection to what I don't like. Try to experience that pure, alert equanimity. So let us start with the body. Scan your body and pay attention to the sensations. But try to avoid the sense of I like this sensation, I don't like this sensation. Try to notice it just as it is. So start with your head, your face, and go down on your back, etc. Try to see, you can stop for a few seconds on each sensation you perceive and just feel it without judging it, without labeling it. If your mind reacts to any sensation, just let that go and focus your attention on the pure sensation. All right, now start watching your thoughts and feelings. And watch them exactly in the same way. Don't judge the thoughts, even if it is a silly thought. It's not really you. It's just your mind. So practice this equanimity where you watch whatever is there without attraction or repulsion. Just notice it. Whatever the mind says, if the mind says, what should I be doing? You just watch that. If the mind says there is nothing to watch, you just watch that. You are a pure witness, as if you were watching a show. Don't get involved, just watch. If your mind perceives a sound, watch the mind perceiving the sound. If your mind starts talking about the grocery shopping you need to do, watch the mind thinking about that. If your mind says this is nice, you watch the mind doing that. If it says this is silly, you watch the mind doing that. The mind is like a river you are watching flowing in front of you. Sometimes the water is clear and you just notice that. Sometimes the water is muddy and you just notice it. Sometimes sticks flow by, or leaves, even a dead animal, and you just watch it. You don't need to correct the mind. If correction happens, it is the mind correcting itself. You are just the witness that notices the mind correcting itself. If an unpleasant thought appears and produces an emotional response, you just watch the whole phenomena. Or maybe a nice thought appears and produces a nice emotional response, you just witness. Let go all effort, relax, open up, and just be aware. Slowly return to your normal state of awareness, but try to retain the sense that you are the witness of the mind, the emotions, and the body. And you can open your eyes when you are ready.